Welcome to Mind Control Q&A, a series of short videos where I'll answer questions from my subscribers. To get a question answered, simply post your question in the comments section below. You can also submit a question at my site, fredohill.com. Ready? Great. So let's go. Longtime Fredo Hill subscriber by the handle JimmyBoy29 sent me this. Fredo, thanks for doing this. As a fellow Shogun, I love your work. My question is this. How can I tell if a girl is playing with my emotions? I am not sure if she's only fooling around with me or is serious with me. I really like her, so let me know how I can tell for sure. Thanks. Okay, here's the thing. The truth is that every woman will be attempting to play with your emotions even if she has genuine feelings for you. Believe me, because this is true. What you need to be aware of, though, is this. There are women who are not romantically interested in you, but want to use you as an emotional tampon or to get the attention of the other guys. And these are the women that you must steer clear of. So, how do you identify such women? Well, it's pretty simple. Just look for these 5 signs. Sign number 1. She calls you up to complain about her problems in her other relationships. Sign number 2. She is evasive whenever you ask her about her relationship status. She changes the topic when you ask her about the other guys that she seemed to be constantly seeing or contacting. Sign number 3. She only asks you out whenever she has got free time. She doesn't make time for you. Huge warning sign there, my man. Sign number 4. There's zero affection for you. She may not resist you when you try to be close to her, but she doesn't initiate anything intimate. Sign number 5. She frequently flakes out on you, often at the last minute. This may be the biggest telltale sign that she is using you emotionally. Easy, right? Now, I gotta warn you though, if you really like her, you might have your judgment clouded a little that you can't see clearly. I want you to avoid making that mistake. The truth is that if you know Shogun Method, then you will be able to see things clearly. Shoguns know not to put up with women who play with their emotions. As a Shogun, you should already know this. Now, if you really like a girl, you should already put her on the I-Ray model inside Shogun Method already. The further deeper she goes into the I-Ray stages, the less likely she will be to play with your emotions. Believe me, because this is true. What do you think of this answer? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Remember to click like below and subscribe to my channel. For a free masterclass on how to use mind control techniques to gain tremendous power in your relationships, go to fractionationhypnosis.com. You can also click on the description below. Go sign up right now for the masterclass. Trust me, you'll love it. Sign up now.